Alright, YouTube, right back at it. We about to install this pulley bracket back over here. Up in there where it should go. Alright, so we gotta get them belts back up, get everything back together so we can get home. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. It's your boy DIY Trucker J. Alright, there we go. Put that there. Alright, so what I need, I got everything? Yeah, I got everything. Alright, so before I get started, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the channel. We're going to put this together, so we got to attach the bracket, the pulley, like I said, right back up in here. You don't need no tools. All you need for this is a 3/4 or a 19 right here. And this one you need either 24 or 15/16. Alright, so 24 millimeter or 15/16 standard. This one, a 19 millimeter or 3/4 standard. Alright, so the belts, everything. Placed those a while back, so let's get it. So y'all can see what I'm doing. Let's get up in here before I get started. Get this piece right here on. Make sure that pulley is on. Make sure you get some water. Socket. That's my truck. But it's 14. It's a little turn. You ain't gonna go crazy. So it's a turn on it. Back here. It's a turn before I start. It's a turn. This ain't gotta go crazy. It's a turn. I think that's broken there. I ain't gonna do too much of that. So what I did, I just took it home, cleaned it off. It was looking like this. So I just took this home, cleaned everything off, you know, sanded pretty good. And that's pretty much about it, really. That's all I did to it. If I had a wire brush, I could sand all of this, get a better ground connection, but she should be all right. All right, so that's how this goes. And you go like this to tighten it as far as it's gonna go. So you just gotta pull it this way. So let's get everything going. That's that. This is how you adjust it from here. You pull it that way. So we can go ahead and put the pulley on now so we can attach everything. Do everything while I'm here. So there's the pulley here. I'm gonna slap this on. All right, so this whole piece, your part number and everything is in here. This part number here is a 1268557. 1268557. I already know what it is. It's a cat pulley, but it's a used one. Came off the truck. I cleaned this up too. So I got a habit of, you know, when I take something off, I got to clean it, paint it, and put it back because I know why I did it. It should have been yellow because it's an official cat part, but it is what it is. I need to put some grease up in. Let me get some grease so I can slide on better. Let me get some grease up in there. All right, 1 minute. Pull this on it. This goes here. All right, show you what it is. There you go. That's a cat bolt there. This right here is your. Let me see something. I think it's your 3/4 or 19 socket. So you use your 3/4 or 19. That'll fit. We're gonna put this in here. We'll put a little water towel in it. Make sure what I'm doing. Grab some of this. Alright, so you can put this on here. A little too much. It's too much, but it is what it is. Too much on my end, but it had to work. Alright, so get this in. Screw it in by hand. That's it. That's it. I put a little water towel, this for now. So the screws don't back off. So tighten everything down, yeah. Let's get the belts on. Get the belts out the way. There you go. That's that. I need a 14 for the top one. I think that's nice. It's gonna be a 14 for the top one. Top one is a 3/4.
Oh, okay, I see what's going on. This belt jumped off the wrong side. Alright, I see it. This one came off. Let's see what's going on. I was wondering why she didn't want to come up. This belt came off the wrong side, so there you go. You get the belt on. There you go. Now we can tighten it. The belt came off.
That's pretty much about it. Good job. Content. Yeah, like more free content, subscribe to the channel. It's free to subscribe and free to hit the like button. There you go.